Hi, this is Ken from Kaizen Brakes. Today we're in the shop again with the Kaizen Autosport C8 Z51 Corvette, and we have some more brake parts to try out on this car. These are the first samples from Girodisc in the Seattle, Washington area. They make two-piece rotors. They got on this application right away. This is the very first set of two-piece front and rear rotors for the C8 Z51 Corvette. As well as the first sets of Rotors ST43 race pads. So let's open these up and have a look at what they sent us, and then we'll go through an install here in just a few minutes. Take a look at the pads first. That's heavy, so that's the front set of pads. Now Rotors doesn't make every brake pad shape there is, obviously. So what we do here is we take an existing shape and turn it into the Z51 shape. So these are the front pads. And you can see marks where they hold them in the milling machine, etc. And that's ST43 compound. It's a very long, good, durable, long-lasting track compound. I'm sure lots of people will want to try those. Here's the rear pads. Again, you can see this was made from another pad, a little smaller. And the fronts, again, this is an ST43 compound. And there's a couple of interesting things here. I'll grab another OEM pad here in a minute and show you. We just deleted a couple of the things not needed. Now let's look at the brake rotors. This is the really fun part. Can't tell if they're front or rear. This would be the right front based on that. So let's go ahead and open that up, have a look. You can see these guys do a great job of packaging the product. And there we go. Here's our brake rotor. You can see it's a two-piece design, aluminum center hat. Obviously the slotted iron outer ring, this floating rotor. Looks like this rotor is about 345 millimeters in diameter. I believe 30 millimeters is nominal thickness. There you go. Each rotor comes with its very own inspection report. Don't know who that guy is, but he said it has less than 1/1000th of maximum runout. We'll go ahead and get a rear out so you can have a look at that.
They're almost the same size, given it's a mid-engine car. I don't see the giant difference in rotor size front and rear.
So you can see here's the rear rotor. Looks like this must have been 27 millimeters new thick. The 25 or 29, 25 is the minimum thickness. It's almost the same size disc. And again, we have an inspection report. So there you see the same basic thing. Two-piece rotor assembly, slotted outer ring, aluminum center hat. One unique difference in the C8 is because of the electric parking brake, the center hat does not need to be a parking brake drum at the same time. So we'll get the rotors, the OEM rotors off the car here in a few minutes, take a few comparisons of weight, etc., and then go through an install and make sure these fit before we put them on the market.